Hello, entrepreneur. How are you doing? This is Prasad Pandit who welcomes you all to this video. So, in this video, we are going to discuss 5 different strategies to overcome the conformity. सो कन्फॉर्मिटी ये ऐसी एक आदत है कि जो हर किसी को होती है. एवरी इंडिविजुअल्स हैविंग दिस एटीट्यूड, ये आदत जो है उनके पास होती है. एंड देर आर सम डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ हैविंग दिस हैबिट इन अवर लाइफ. तो आज के ये वीडियो में हम बेसिकली यही बात करने वाले कि ऐसी कौन सी 5 स्ट्रेटेजीज है जिसे हम कन्फॉर्मिटी को छोड़ सकते हैं, कन्फॉर्मिटी को गिव अप कर सकते हैं. So before talking about these 5 different strategies, let's basically understand what is conformity. So conformity मतलब किसी चीज को विदाउट सोचे समझे फॉलो करना या ब्लाइंडली उसको बिलीव करना. So there are n number of things, the n number of situations, n number of activities happening in our life on a day-to-day basis, which we are just following them blindly without thinking properly that is this activity, whatever we are doing, whatever we are thinking, is suitable for us or it is a beneficial for us or not. So acting and doing things without knowing the why, without knowing the purpose of that action is the conformity. सो ये बहुत ही निग्लेक्टेड टॉपिक है, बहुत ही निग्लेक्टेड एरिया है कि हम हमारे लाइफ में उसको कभी ज्यादा फोकस नहीं देते हैं. लेकिन इसकी जो डिसएडवांटेजेस है ये इतने ज्यादा बड़े हैं कि वो हमारे फेल्योर में बहुत ज्यादा कंट्रीब्यूट करता है. अगर हम कन्फॉर्मिटी को गिव अप नहीं करते, इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग कन्फॉर्मिटी और इफ यू आर डूइंग द थिंग्स with the conformity, then we are lacking our success, we are going away from our results and benefits and everything. So this is all about conformity, that acting and doing things like everyone else is doing that way, right guys? So number 1 strategy to overcome the conformity is to have strong value system for ourselves. So what is this value system? We have already talked about this value system. So value system is set of bunch of values which what may happen we will never compromise. ऐसी कुछ तत्व है हमारे लाइफ में, हमेशा हर एक किसी के लाइफ में होते हैं. तो वो तत्वों को हमें हमारे डेली बेसिस पे जीना है, डेली बेसिस पे रियलाइज करना है, डेली बेसिस पे यूज करना है. दिस इज व्हाट द वैल्यू सिस्टम मीन्स. So understanding that there is a value system in our life, in our business, in our activities, what we do on a daily basis, and following these value system, sticking to that values only, and fulfilling these value system on a regular basis is most important thing. And it is guiding to stones, guiding stars, we can say, in our journey. Let it be a personal journey, let it be a business journey. So value system helps us to be on a track to our success. So that is why the strongest value system is very important. Number 2 strategy to give up or to avoid conformity is to know the actual reality behind the situation. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम एक्शन तो लेते हैं लेकिन उसके पीछे का हमें रियल सिचुएशन क्या है वो पता नहीं होता है. we usually tend to fall for anything. ये बहुत बार हमारे लाइफ में होता है, बिजनेस में काफी बार होता है कि वी लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग विद अ बिजनेस, सो व्हाई टू स्टार्ट विद अ बिजनेस इज द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. एंड देन वी डो नॉट हैव आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन एंड देन वी स्टार्ट डेवलपिंग बिजनेस एंड एंड ऑफ द डे it goes into the mess. So understanding that business is not something that's earning money. Business is all about delivering your knowledge, delivering or helping people solve their problems with your knowledge, with your product, with your services and all these things. So ये हमें याद रखना है, ये हमें करना है कि तो whichever in business you are right now, know that there are people and there are your product, how your product is going to help your people get the results. ये सबसे ज्यादा अंडरस्टैंड करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड जो भी हमारे सामने सिचुएशन आती है, जो भी हम कुछ डिसीजंस लेते हैं, तो बिफोर टेकिंग एनी डिसीजन we have to understand that why we are doing whatever we are doing, why this action I'm going to take, and what results or what circumstances this action going to bring back to us. This is also a very important thing. And then not to fall for anything, क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम उसके जड़ तक नहीं जाते. कोई भी सिचुएशन है, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है या कोई तो डिसीजन है, उसके जड़ तक नहीं जाते हैं, उसके एंड तक नहीं जाते हैं. एंड देन वी आर टेकिंग अ डिसीजंस on the half of the knowledge whatever we have, and most of the time that knowledge or that decision is get wrong because we have not considered the full situation, we have not gone till the bottom of that situation. So ये भी बहुत important strategy है to overcome the conformity. So सभी कभी भी हम कौन सा भी action लेते, decision लेते, think on this point of view, right guys? Then number 3 is courage. Now courage in what? Courage in following the value system on every single day. क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हमारे वैल्यू सिस्टम्स, हमारे तत्व जो है वो हमारे पास होते हैं, लेकिन हम उसको फॉलो नहीं करते, हम उनको गिव अप कर देते, हम उनको कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर देते हैं. सो वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड वी हैव टू स्टे फोकस एंड वी हैव टू बी करेजियस इनफ टू फॉलो आवर वैल्यू सिस्टम्स व्हाट मे कम. So even if we are going through the difficult times, doesn't matter. But if you are following the value system, then we are at least sure that we are on a same track or we are on a right track. Because जब हमारा bad times आते हैं life में and businesses में up and down आते हैं, तो we are tend to go to different path. We are tend to take the different path and go through that path. But it is very important that we have to stick to one path, and that one path can be guided by the value system. So we have to have the courage to follow the value system on every single day, right guys? Very important. Number 4 strategy is know the real purpose behind action we take. Before taking any actions, before coming to any conclusion or any decision, so we have to understand the real purpose of the action we are going to take. So whatever, like let's say if we are example, we are going to the office to work. So let's understand ki why we are going to the work. If the answer is to earn money, then that is the wrong answer, because earning money is a different activity and going to work is a different activity. And yeah, definitely, because we have to do the work, then only we are going to get the amount. But it is not that ki only that activity is going to give you money. There are whole set of other bunch of activities which you can perform, which will give you happiness, which will give you the satisfaction, which will give you the peace of a mind and also give you the money. ये भी होता है. तो बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, मैं बहुत सारे लोगों को मिलता हूँ, मेरे दोस्त लोग हैं, बाकी के भी जो जनरल लोग हैं, वो भी मुझे काफी बार बोलते रहते हैं कि आई एम इनटू दिस XYZ industry or in this education system or any earning activity, but I am not happy over there. I am doing this because my parent told me. I am doing this because I thought that is like going to be a good thing for me, but it turned out to be different thing. And I'm not happy, I'm not satisfied with the job I'm doing, but I have to do because I have to earn money. So this is a conformity. If you do not like your work, if you do not like your job, and still you are going only for saking of earning money, then this is a conformity, because you can earn money by doing different things also. Maybe you have a passion for music, and then you can start bringing all music together. You can start composing music, you can start singing the music and singing the songs, and creating the different music, and you can earn money from that. If you are a good speaker, then you can talk about your favorite topic, and you can be viral. You can go on audio videos, podcasting, and you can write on about these things, and you can earn money. So earning money is altogether a total activity, and doing whatever we love to do is another activity, what I say. And then many of the people, they are conforming because they just want to earn money, and they do not explore the other opportunity to earn money. So this is also a very important strategy, that know the real purpose of the action you take before taking it, and that will help you to give away the conformity. And the number fifth is start strong and develop this, or change this conformity habit on every single day by taking little steps every single day. Right, guys? Because if you are going to change yourself drastically in a 1 or 2 days, it is not going to happen. Again, you are after 2-3 days, you are going to come back to the old same way. So you have to start strong. हमें एक जो हमारा काम है, जो कंफर्मिटी को गिव अप करना है, उसके लिए हमें स्ट्रांग स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा एंड एवरी डे हमें लिटिल इंप्रूवमेंट के साथ उसको अचीव करना पड़ेगा. So before starting, what we just have to do, just ask a question to yourself: why I am doing this? If you are going to the office, why I am going to the office? What are the benefits I am going to get from that office apart from money? What else you are going to get? Are you going to get happiness? Are you going to get fulfillment? Are you going to get a peace of mind? Are you going to be happy being at that place? If yes, then that is the perfect match. But if not, then think about something else. Think what is going to give you that opportunity, what is going to give that happiness and blissfulness and peace. ये हमें करना है. अगर हम वो लेट्स नॉट टॉक अबाउट द ओनली द वर्क, जो भी हम लाइफ में चीज करते हैं, हमारा पर्सनल रिलेशन है, तो पर्सनल रिलेशन में अगर हम किसी से मैड है, किसी से अगर एंग्री है, तो हम क्यों एंग्री है? क्योंकि उसने आपको चीट किया, उसके लिए एंग्री है. तो उसने चीट किया तो आपने उसको फॉरगिव करना है. दैट इज व्हाई यू आर गोइंग टू बी अ बेटर पर्सन. दैट इज हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द हैप्पीनेस एंड द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल वे ऑफ हैप्पीनेस इज टू फॉरगिवनेस. तो जब आप उनको फॉरगिव करते हैं तब भी जाके आपको हैप्पीनेस मिलता है, सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलता है और आपका रिलेशन स्ट्रांग होता है. सो बिकॉज एवरीबडी फाइट्स आफ्टर, किसी ने आपको कुछ उल्टा सुलटा किया तो हर कोई फाइट करता है, इसके लिए आप भी उसके साथ जाके फाइट करोगे. दैट इज कन्फॉर्मिटी. So this conformity thing is is there in our actions every single day. So you have to first understand which are the areas which is just happening by fluke, without knowing, without understanding, without आपको without सोचे समझे या unknowingly ये सब चीजें हो रही है. तो वो आइडेंटिफाई करना चालू करो. उसके बाद आपका जो बिजनेस है, उसका जो पर्सनल लाइफ है, उसमें आपको उसको धीरे धीरे किस तरीके से चेंज करना है वो आप समझ जाओगे. एंड देन यू विल बी गिविंग अवे द कंफॉर्मिटी विच इज स्टॉपिंग यू फ्रॉम taking having the good results, having the good life and everything, right, entrepreneurs? So I'm so happy that I could able to give you the clarity about the conformity thing, because I was in that situation myself. So I was having the conformity mindset for a longer period, and as I was developing my mindset to the entrepreneur mindset, then this thing was the most obstacle in the growth as an entrepreneur mindset. So I gave up on the conformity. Now whatever I do, I ask a question to myself: why I am doing it, what is the purpose behind this action, and what is the consequences and what will be the results of this action. Even if it is benefiting you all, if it is benefiting to my community, then only I am doing that thing and following my value system and other activities which we do over here at 5% Hub. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe to 5% Hub, where we discuss a lot about the entrepreneurial mindset, business psychology and business growth. So like and comment to us whatever understandings are there from this video. Just put it in below comments and let everybody know what you think about this video. So thank you so much for watching us. I will see you with another interesting topic soon. Take care everyone. Bye.